You know those moments when you want a dessert that looks, well, fancy? Something that seems like you spent all afternoon on it, but you secretly want it to be ridiculously easy? We've all been there. Well, I think we found the perfect recipe for exactly that. Honey vanilla baked pears. And this just sums it up perfectly. The vibe is warm, lightly sweet, elegant but lazy. I mean, come on. Elegant but lazy is a mood I can get behind. It's cozy, it's sophisticated, and best of all, it's not going to take over your whole day. This is the kind of recipe that becomes a staple for sure. So, how do we pull off that elegant but lazy magic? Well, it all starts with a really short list of simple, quality ingredients. Honestly, you probably have most of this stuff in your pantry right now. Okay, let's take a look. For the star of the show, you need 4 pears. The key is to get ones that are ripe but still pretty firm so they don't turn into mush in the oven. Then you've got your flavor makers: honey, melted butter, vanilla, cinnamon, and just a little pinch of salt to balance all that sweetness. And for that awesome, creamy topping, it's just Greek yogurt, a little bit more honey, and a splash of vanilla. That's it. See? Super simple. All right, with our ingredients all lined up, we get to the fun part. This is where we watch everything transform into this incredible, warm, caramelized masterpiece. The prep work here could not be easier, seriously. First thing, get that oven going to 375 degrees. While it's heating up, just pop your pear halves in a baking dish. Then, in a little bowl, you're gonna mix up that amazing sauce. The honey, the butter, the vanilla, the cinnamon. You can just smell how good it's gonna be already, right? And then you just spoon that golden goodness right over the top of each pear. And now into the oven they go. Just let them bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. What you're looking for is that moment when they're perfectly tender and the tops are all bubbly and golden brown. And while that's happening, you've got just enough time to mix up that cool, creamy yogurt drizzle. As soon as the pears are done, serve them up nice and warm with a big dollop of that sauce right on top. Okay, so the pears are baked to perfection. But we're not quite done. The finishing touches are where you can really make this dish your own and just take it over the top. A little bit of crunch is just fantastic here. You could throw on some chopped walnuts or almonds for a nice toasty flavor. Granola also works great if you want that texture. And of course, a little extra drizzle of honey. I love how the source puts it. Because obviously. Yeah, you can't go wrong there. But hey, what if you want to dial this up from elegant but lazy to, let's say, next level indulgent? Well, don't worry, there's a fantastic pro move for those exact moments. So yeah, are you feeling a little extra? If the answer is yes, here's how you can elevate this already amazing dessert. Check out these 2 super simple swaps. They make a huge difference. First, in that honey mixture, try adding a little splash of bourbon or even some maple syrup before you bake. Oh man, it adds this incredible, warm, deep, almost smoky sweetness. And then, for serving, ditch the yogurt and go all in with a scoop of good old vanilla ice cream. That hot, caramelized pear against the cold, creamy ice cream, it's just perfect. Which, brings us to the big question here. With just a few ingredients and a handful of super simple steps, could this be the easiest fancy dessert ever? I mean, it's warm, it's comforting, and it is absolutely guaranteed to impress. What do you think? I'd say it's pretty close.